Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to another GIS tutorial. In this tutorial, we will see that what is the difference between KML and KMZ, the most common file format in the world of GIS that you and me use in our daily lives. So KML means keyhole markup language. KML is a XML based file. It is readable even in Notepad and you can also edit it like a code. On the other hand, KMZ is a compressed zipped version of KML. Inside a KMZ, there can be another KML of point, line, polygon, and files, documents, images, even icons. It is not readable in Notepad. It is the compressed version of KML. And even you cannot edit it like a code. Let's open your Google Earth Pro and here let's add a polygon like this and set this to AOI and hit OK. So I just draw a polygon. Now I will save it with the name of AOI, and first of all I will save it as KML, and then I will again save this, but now this time I will save it as KMZ and AOI.z. Now same geometry, same polygon I have saved with the name of KML and .KMZ. Okay, so now let's see the difference between them. If I will right click on this and open it with my notepad, then you can see that this is a readable file. You can read it just like a code. Even the name that I have given to this file with the name of AOI.kml with its line string coordinates. On the other hand, this KMZ, if I will open it with notepad, then you can see that this is not readable and you can also not edit it. Also, there is a difference that if I will hover my mouse over it, then the size of KML is 1.51 KB. On the other hand, the size of KMZ is just 733 bytes. So in short, KML is readable, but KMZ not readable. And the file size of KML is bigger than the file size of KMZ. You can also embed any file images into KMZ, but you cannot embed your data into KML. But online links are supported in KML. Also, the data sharing is good in KML, but it is excellent in KMZ. Also, you can create multi geometries inside KML and as well as in KMZ. Like in this KML or KMZ, I can also draw a point, a line, another polygon. So multi geometry is enabled in both file formats. Now we will see that how image sharing or file sharing works in KML and KMZ. So first of all, I will delete them. And now I will come over here and in properties, I will add a web image. Just write the URL. This is the URL of my image on a website and hit OK. Now in image tag with source of this website, I will embed an image. And if I will hit on this polygon in pop-up, I will have my image. So if you want to share images in KML format, then you can use these links. But what if you don't have image on any website, but on your local system? So if you want to share an image from your local system, then same inside image tag, but this time source is from my personal PC. And if I will hit OK, the result will be same. My image is available, but this image is now coming from my local PC. And if you will share this image and this polygon in .kml file, then the person that will receive this KML will not able to see that image. So if you want to share data, files, images, icons, then you have to share it in KMZ format. If I will open this KMZ into my mobile or any other device, still I will unable to visualize this image due to properties in description having image tag this path, that particular device will not have the same path. Embedding any document or images into KMZ, this is not a perfect way to do that. So for that, actually, you have to make a folder, and then inside that folder, you have to add all images, and then you have to give that path from that folder, and that folder will also available in .kmz file. So then image path will come from that folder, so everyone can visualize this. Let me show you an example. This is a tool that I have developed for my daily routine work. And if I will choose any geotagged images, these are the geotagged images. And let me show you that what is a geotag image. In properties and in details, if you will go down, then here you can see the GPS, the position of this image, where this image has been collected. So just select all these images and hit open, and then generate KMZ. So now if I will download this KMZ, and this KMZ, you can share everywhere this KMZ, and when you will open this KMZ right over here, then inside these points, now the image is actually embed. So KMZ can embed in images inside it, but KML cannot. So I will also make a tutorial on these tools. In the last, I want to share, this is the best practice that avoid to use KML and KMZ for your databases like PostgreSQL and PostGIS, and even for your analysis, and even for your WebGIS backend. Instead of KML and KMZ, use GeoGIS and GeoPackages. KML is good for visualization, KMZ is good for sharing, but GeoGIS and shapefile PostGIS is the real GIS work for analysis. So I hope that this tutorial will be helpful for you. Many thanks. Take care. Allah Hafiz.